Our third artist out of 9 for our Star Pop Inc. Drop 2025. We have here with us Misha De Leon, a young artist with a clear vision and stunning voice. Hello, Misha. Congratulations. Ayan, so kaya natin multiple songs, of course, from a Very Good Girls featuring or starring Catherine Bernardo and Dolly De Leon. Dito Ba was featured on A Very Good Girl, and also Damdamin with 200,000 streams on Spotify. Kilala din natin si Misha on Idol Philippines Season 2 and The Voice Kids Season 3. De Leon. We also have here a bouquet for Misha.
On your new contract with Star Pop. And of course, you're hearing Equilibrium, isa yan sa mga naging singles ni Misha. And you're gonna hear more of her very unique, soulful, edgy R&B voice na targeting yung Gen Z hanggang Gen A. Very young yung vibe ni Misha. And soon we'll be announcing yung mga new projects niya. She's gonna be featured in a major OST. Announce natin yan soon. And she's also recording a new EP. So please watch out for that.
Congratulations. Misha, do you have anything that you want to say?
Ayun, I would like to thank Star Pop family po for trusting me sa talent ko po and sa puso ko po. Thank you for allowing me to express myself. Again, to Sir Jonathan, Sir Rox, Sir Roxy, Sir Riley, and to everyone sa buong team po ng Star Pop, thank you. And of course, I would like to thank sa families po namin na laging sumusuporta po sa amin sa mga ginagawa po namin. And I'm really hoping po na mas marami pang makarinig ng mga boses namin and makatouch pa ng mga puso ng mga kabataan. So, thank you po. And yeah, let's go, Star Pop!